Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have brought 10 powerful, patriotic and easy to remember slogans on Independence Day. So watch this video till the end. Now let's start it. Freedom begins with unity and grows through responsibility. Celebrate freedom with pride. Serve the nation with purpose. Freedom inspires us. Unity defines us. India unites us. Raise the tricolor high. Let India's spirit touch the sky. Our freedom is priceless. Our duty is endless. Learn and lead. Serve with grace. Make India the finest place. Stand as one, hand in hand. Together we build our motherland. Love your nation. Show your care. Make India stronger everywhere. One voice, one dream, one destiny. Together we build a stronger country. United we stay, come what may. Proudly celebrating Independence Day. So friends, these slogans are perfect for school assemblies, speech competitions, poster making, rallies and classroom activities. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.